Okay, in today's video I'm gonna replace a knock sensor on BMW 328i or any BMW 3 Series. It's gonna be the same thing. So the knock sensor is right there, if you can see it. There's one bolt there and another one is right between there. So to get to knock sensor, I'm gonna remove this cover and this part and probably this one, and of course everything that's on the top here. So let's start by removing this here, and then there's a open it up. Just remove those caps. Then you have to unscrew this. As well as these 3 or 2 bolts, and then you see those in there. I'm gonna remove this one as well. The reason I'm replacing the knock sensor is because the check engine light is on and just keeps telling me knock sensor bank 1, bank 2. So let's move this aside, and then I'm gonna unscrew these and just pull this out like that. And of course I have to disconnect those parts. This part removes pretty easy. As you can see, there's like clips or something. And I used to struggle with this one. There's like a holding part there. I need a screwdriver to remove this one, to press that thing down and remove it. Okay, that's the clips I was talking about. You have to press these down in order to pull it out. So this is 8mm, so 10mm is big, so I got the wrong one. Then disconnect the sensors. Missing and pulling. Move this out of the way. Remove this one. Same on the other side. This one is actually just removable. You just pop this thing to put it away. Just go like this here. Like that. And now we're gonna start pulling it. So, just like so. Looks like this one's holding here. There we go. And this one's almost out. Now I'm gonna need to remove this cover here so I can get to those bolts there. There's 4 bolts, 2 here, and one's over there, and one is over here. Okay, and then we gotta remove this here part. After removing the cover.
There's a big possibility that I'm gonna lose bolts.
Better not. Then I gotta remove this here. And I might remove this one as well just to have more space since I unscrewed this. Now it's loose. You can disconnect this hose here. Just press like this and pull it off. It's a vacuum hose. So I think I'm gonna remove this right here just to have more space, and I would still have to remove this clamp on the hose. So I'll just rather pull it out as a piece. To remove the air intake, just 2 bolts here, and this simply comes off, and now it's loose, and then I just need to disconnect either here or further. And okay, I disconnected this here, the electrical thing, and I unscrewed this, so now it's loose. Just need to pull it off.
Careful not to punch a hole through. Man, it's so easy to punch a hole through.
There we go.
Come on, man, it's BMW, expensive.
Now it's out. Got more space here. Now just move this out of the way. And here we see this one's disconnected now. I'll just pull it out. And there's a rubber thing that was on there and then this out. Can pull it out. You also need to disconnect this here. What else is holding it? Maybe this wire here? What is this wire? I'm gonna have to remove these wires here, and it's good to take a picture before you actually remove it so you would know where the wires go when you install it back. So let's just pull it out. Can't do that. There we go. So disconnect and throw them in there. I'm gonna have to remove this here, just this piece here, because it's not letting me to pull it out.
Why is it hard to see? Bro, what's wrong with it?
It's because of the
What?
sun. Okay, and then I gotta unscrew the fuel hose right there in order to release. Okay, I removed the hose. I put the bolt back in so I don't lose it. And it looks like the sensor right here is on the way, so I'm gonna have to remove this one. There we go. Okay, finally I pulled it off. And I think I got enough space. If not, I will pull it out all the way. So this is the sensor I was talking about. This one here, that's one, and that's another one. Okay, so this pack of wires here, if you can see, it's right under there, and right underneath there is a knock sensor connector. And it's interesting that it was disconnected. I don't know how, but this is my second time and it was disconnected again. So I don't know if the knock sensor is working or not, but I'm still gonna replace it with a new one. Okay, I got it unscrewed. This is the knock sensor. You can use a 10mm socket wire wrench to unscrew these bolts from there. They're aluminum, so be careful. Or you can use a special tool for this. And as you notice, the one is longer and one is shorter. So I guess this is how it should be. The longer one goes right here and the shorter one goes right there, and it goes right underneath there and it connects right in here, and then you just put that on there right on the bottom there. Here I got the new knock sensor. Let's see if it's the right one. Yep, it looks the same. I got this knock sensor like for about $70. So now I'm gonna install it. Okay, I screwed those in, and now make sure you actually, there's like a holding thing, make sure it clips. Yeah, so it doesn't come off like it did on mine. And then you just place it right underneath and slide it in. There we go, and it clicks as well. Hopefully it doesn't come off again. Okay, and that's how you change a knock sensor. And if you ever noticed or wondered where the vehicle starter is, it's right in the back there. So you have to do the same thing to take everything out. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.